Today we are opening the Dragon Dazzle Hello toothpaste. Look at that. Dragon Dazzle blue raspberry flavored. Let's open this. Tell me in the comments if this is satisfying. Look at this. Here it is. Blue raspberry, Dragon Dazzle. Hello. And then Dragon Dazzle fluoride toothpaste. Blue raspberry, natural flavor. So yeah, I am going to unbox a toothbrush. So I'm gonna be right back. Yeah. Okay, I got it here. Oral-B Pro 1000 rechargeable toothbrush. 300% more plaque removal in hard reach areas. By the way, this is not a sponsor. If anyone wants to sponsor me, I'd be welcome. But this isn't a sponsor. I just like opening toothbrushes. Shoot. Don't drop it, Beck. Don't drop it. Okay. Just a lot. Okay, so first it comes with the brush. Okay. Then the charger. Here's the charger. Right in here. Alright. Here's a guide. Promotion. Dude, this thing is massive. Look, it's my hand. My hand is like, what, 5 inches? So this is like 9 or 10 inches. It's big. So yeah, that's all it comes with. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.